Hello, dear students. So now today I have some new questions for you, and we would be moving ahead in the chapter number second, that is playing with numbers. So I have some new question here today. The question number first is find the common factors of these are some questions 15 and 25, 35 and 50, and 20 and 28, 5, 15 and 25, 2, 6 and 8. Means we have to find their common factors. Okay. So find the common factors means you have to find the factors which are common in 15 and 25. So let's do the first question first. So answer number 1. So at first you would find out the factors of 15 here. So here let me write it here, factors of 15. Okay, so can you tell me the factors of 15? Means the number which are dividing 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 1. How many times? How many times? Yes, it is divisible by 1 15 times. 15 1 ja 15. So 15 is divisible by 2 also? Not. Yes, it is divisible by 3 now. How many times? 3 5 ja 15. Okay. Then 6 not, sorry, 4 not 5, then all the factors we have written. Divisible by 1 15 times, divisible by 3 5 times. Now no other factors are there. Okay, so these are the factors of 15. Similarly, I would find out the factors of 25. So can you tell me the factors of 25? Yes, 25 is divisible by 1. How many times? 25 times. Second, 25 is divisible by 2 also, not 3 also, not 4 also, not, yes, divisible by 5. How many times? 5 5 ja 25. 6 not, 7 not, 8 not, now nothing is there. Okay, so these are all the factors of 25. Okay, so now we have to find out the common factors. So common, what would be the common factors here? Common factors of 15 and 25 are what? First is 1. Look here, 1 is here also, 1 is here also, so you should write 1 here. Now next is 5 here also, 5 here also, so 1 and 5. So these are the common factors of 15 and 25. Okay, so are you getting this? So what are the common factors of 15 and 25? These are 1 and 5. Hope you are getting this. Just note this down. Now question number second and third you would do on your own, the way we have done the first question. Now we would do the fourth one question. Fourth is, again you have to find out the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Okay, so first you would find out the factors of 5, then you would find out factors of 15, then 25. So first tell me, what are the factors of 5? Factors of 5. Can you tell me the factors of 5? Yes, divisible by 1. How many times? 5 times. Now nothing is there. So these are the factor of 5. So what are the factors of 25? Factors of 25. Factors of 25 are, yes, it is divisible by 1. How many times? 25 times. Sorry, first factors of 15 we would find out. Divisible by 1 how many times? 15 times. Then it divisible by 3 also. Yes, 3 5 ja 15. Now nothing is there. Okay, so similarly you would find out factors of 25 also. What are the factors of 25? Divisible by 1 how many times? 25 times. Divisible by 5 also how many times? 5 times. So 5 5 is 25. So these are the factors of 5, 15 and 25. Now we have to find out the common factors. Common means which are common in all. Okay, so here I am writing common factors of 5, 15 and 25. So can you tell me? Yes, 1 is common in all. 1 is here also, 1 is here also, 1 is here also. So common factor is 1. And there is, yes, 5 is all. 5 is here also, here also, here also. So 1 and 5. So these are the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Okay, so this was your question number 4. Fifth question also you would do the way we have done the fourth question. Okay, so this was your first question. Complete questions you have to do on your own. Okay, just note it down. So here is the next question before you. Question is, write the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. So what are the common multiples of 6 and 8? Here not factors, you have to find out common multiples. So first we would find out the multiples of 6, then you would find out multiples of 8, then they are common. Okay, so let's do it. So here multiples of 8. Multiples of 6 first. So what are the multiples of 6? Multiples of 6 means the number which are divisible by 6. Remember this. The numbers which are divisible by 6 would be the multiple of 6. Like 6 1 ja 6, divisible by 6. 6 2 ja 12 also. 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, and so on. So these are the multiples of 6. We have to write the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8 1 ja 8 means the numbers which are divisible by 8 would be the multiples of 8. So first is 8 1 ja 8. Second is 16 also divisible by 8 2 ja 16. Then 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, and so on. These are the multiples of 8. Okay. Now we have to find out first 3 common multiple. First 3 common multiple means the multiples which are occurring at first, and the common should be common also. Like here 6 8, nothing is here, nothing is here. Like first is 24 here. 24 you could see it here also and here also. So first common multiple is, now here let me write it here. Common, rather I would write first 3 common multiples. First 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 would be, first one is 24 here also, 24 here also. So first is 24. Second, then after 24, what is the next then? I think it is 48, 48. Here also, there also. One more we have to find out. So let's move ahead in this table. 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54. Okay. 6 10 ja 60. 60 11 ja 66. 6 12 ja 72. Okay, stop here, and so on. And then here also common multiples of it. 8 6 ja 48. Now next would be 8 7 ja 56. 8 8 ja 64. 8 9 ja 72, and so on. Now we have got one more multiple common here, that is 72. Okay, so we have got the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8, and these are what? First is 24, second is 48, and third one is 72. So these are the common multiples of 6 and 8. Hope you are getting this. Okay, just note it down. Now this is the next question. Question is, write first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. Okay, similar to the previous one. Look here also. Here also you have to find out the common multiple, but here only 2 common multiples you have to find out. In the previous one we had to find out there 3 common multiples, but in this question only 2 common multiples you have to find out. So first you would find out multiples of 12, like in the previous one. Then you would find out multiples of 18. Okay, then their common multiple, first 2 common multiples. So the numbers which are occurring at first positions there, you would be writing those numbers here. Okay, so it is similar to the previous one. Just do it on your own. Now dear students, this is the next question before you. Question is, a number is divisible by both 7 and 16. Find by which other number will that number be always divisible. Let me read it once more. A number is divisible by both 7 and 16. Means you have a number and that is divisible. Suppose let's say this is the number, and this number is divisible by 7 also, as well as it is divisible by 16 also, this number. Okay, by which other number will that number be always divisible? Now you have to tell me one more number by which you can divide this also. This also you have to tell this. Okay, so how would you find out the other number that would divide the given number? Okay, so now let's see, if this number is divisible by 7 and this number at the same time is divisible by 16 also, so this number should be divisible by the common factors of 7 and 16. Okay, are you getting this? If this number is divisible by 7 as well as it is divisible by 16 also, So this number should be divisible by the common factors of 7 and 16. So we would find out the common factors of 7 and 16. And what are the common factors? All these common factors would divide the given number. Are you getting this? Yes. Let's say we are getting 3-4 common factor, 1 2 3, some common factors we are getting. These are the common factors of 7 and 16. So all these common factors would divide the given number. Okay, so how to do this question? First we would find out the factors of 7, then you would find out factor of 16, then we would find out the common factors of 7 and 16. Are you getting this? Good. Okay, let me write it here now. A number is, since the number is divisible by both, let me write it, since the number is divisible by both 7 and 16, hence it will also be divisible by the common factors of 7 and 16. This number also would be divisible by the common factors of 7 and 16. Okay, so now we would find out the factors of 7, then 16, then their common factors. So factors of 7. Factors of 7. Can you tell me the factors of 7? Mean the numbers which divide 7. Like it is divisible by 1. How many times? 7 times. So 1 and 7 both are the factors of 7. Only these are the numbers which are dividing 7. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Similarly, we have to find out factors of 16. Can you tell me? Yes. Divisible by 1 how many times? 16 times. Divisible by 2 also how many times? 2 8 is 16. Divisible by 4 also, 4 4 is 16. 5 not, 6 not, 7 not, 8 rest we have written. So these are the factors of 16. So can you tell me the common factors now? Common factors of 7 and 16. What are the common factors? Only one is the common factor. Yes. So you would say, hence the given number would be divisible by 1 only. Okay. If a number is divisible by 7 and 16, then again it would be divisible by 1 also. Okay. Because 1 is the common factor of 7 and 16. So right here, hence the given number would be divisible by 1 also, because 1 is the common factor of 7 and 16. Are you getting this? Okay, just note it down. Now this is the next question, and the question is, a number is divisible by 24. By what other number will that number be divisible? Now let's say you have a number here, and this number is divisible by 4, means you can divide the given number by 24. Now you have to tell me the other numbers also which would divide the given number. Okay, so what could be the other numbers that would divide the given numbers? Can you tell me the other numbers? Yes, the numbers would be the factors of 24. So all the factors of 24 would divide the given number. Remember this. If a number is divisible by 24, then it would again be divisible by the factors of 24 also. Are you getting this? Yes. This number would also be divisible by the factors of 24. This is you have to remember this. Any number you can take. If any number is divisible by any other number, then that number would also be divisible by the factors of the given number. Okay, so similarly here also, if this number is divisible by 24, then this number again would be divisible by all the factors of 24. So now we have to find out here the factors of 24. Are you getting this? Yes. So question is, a number is divisible by 24. By what other number will that number be also divisible? So we have to find out the factors of 24. Okay. Yes, Rahul. Write down. A number is divisible by 24, hence it will also be divisible by the factors of 24 also. Okay, so we have to find out the factors of 24. Factors of 24. What are the factors of 24? Means the number which divide 24. First it is divisible by 1. How many times? 24 times. Means 1 and 24 both are the factors here. Getting or not? Now next 2 divisible by 2. How many times? 12 times. 12 2 is 24. Divisible by 3 also? Yes. 3 8 is 24. 3 and 8 both are factor. Divisible by 4 also? Yes. 4 6 is 24. Divisible by 5 also? Not. Divisible by 6, rest we have written. So these are the factors of 6. Sorry, 24. Hence, the given number, if a number is divisible by 24, so this number would also be divisible by 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 6 also, 8 also, 12 also, and 24 also. Okay? Are you getting it? Yes. So hence, you write here. Hence, the given number would also be divisible by 1 also, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12, because 24 itself is dividing it. Okay, so this is the answer of the given question. Okay, so this is all for today. Would be discussing some new question in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.